The Baal Haggadah wonders when we should fulfill the mitzvah of V'gadatel Bincha to transmit to our children Yetzias Mitzrayim and the great redemption from Mitzrayim. There's even a Havamina that we go back to Rosh Chodesh Nisan or perhaps Erev Pesach at the time that we bring the Korban Pesach. No, Bavur Zeh. Zeh means we point. B'shoshesh matzah umora munachim lefanecha. This idea of Bavur Zeh, that V'gadatel Bincha is not enough. It's not enough to speak and add words. Sometimes words could be cheap. But Bavur Zeh, there's got to be action. There's got to be pointing. That's what education is all about. The Rambam writes that a father is obligated to teach his son from the age that the child is so young, knows how to speak. 2 years old, 3 years old. And these are the responsibilities that fall on the parents. Sometimes we tend to blame the school. Maybe our children are not into it. They're not as excited about Yiddishkeit as they should be, but maybe the fault lies in our lack of Bavur Zeh. We spoke a few weeks ago about the great Betzalel, and the Torah says, Re'u Zeh Betzalel. You have to point, see a person, the way he acts, the way he brings into reality and experiences that which we could learn from. We learn from others because they are examples for us, and we have the responsibility, especially on the night of Pesach, which is all about emunah, about faith, about optimism, about belief in the future redemption. If we don't believe it ourselves, how can we v'gadato tell it to our children? So our blessing for this Shabbos Hagadol, this great Shabbos before Pesach, is number one, we should be zocheh to see the ultimate geula. We want Mashiach now. We need the Mashiach desperately. The world is against us. Ein lanu lismoch el al avinu shebashamayim. We have to rely on our Father in heaven. But with that belief and with that faith, we enter into the days of Pesach. The kickoff is V'gadatel Bincha. Let's be living examples for our children of that faith and that belief in the ultimate geula. And Mirz Hashem, it'll come to pass soon in our days. Ken Yiratzon, Amen. I want to wish you not only a good Shabbos, but also a Chag Kosher V'Sameach.